Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. Y'all miss me? Because I missed y'all. Oh my God. It's been like, what, 14 months since I've seen you guys. I miss y'all so much. I definitely owe it to you guys to let you guys know what's been going on in my life over the past 14 months and why I had to take this needed break. And why and how I'm back. So if you want to see where I've been for the past 14 months, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
All right, guys, so let's I have like a little timeline of everything that's happened. So we're going to start back in May of last year. Yeah, around May of last year, I was called to a spiritual fast. I need to take a break because I just feel like everything that was going on with quarantine, George Floyd, racial injustice, dealing with things in my job, it was just a lot mentally, and there was no way I could commit myself to this and still be whole for my family, for my children, and also, you know, for work and everything. I just couldn't do it. So I took a spiritual fast and focused on God and focused on just my mental, you know, get myself together, and I needed that very much so. So that happened in May. Fast forward to June, me and my whole household contracted COVID-19. My husband got sick first. He thought it was just a cold. Then I got sick. No, my husband and my kids got sick. Then I got sick like a week later. I didn't know it was COVID until literally maybe 2 weeks later when I got my results back. I knew it was COVID when I lost my taste and smell, like 3 days after me having a fever and everything. But back then I wasn't able to get my test results back quickly, so I had COVID-19. My children passed it to my parents, who also had it. My dad, however, took a very sharp turn to the left really quickly. He was in the hospital for, oh God, almost 4 months, battling COVID-19. It was horrible. It was the worst time of my life that I never want to go back to. He was on a ventilator 2 times. The doctors had given up on him, and they said he was going to die. He wasn't going to make it. The only way for him to be able to go home was on hospice. But me and my sisters and my mom continued to pray, believe God, stood on God's faithfulness to us, and today he is a living miracle, and it was strictly because of the prayers that we solicited and God hearing our prayers and God making him whole. So that happened in July. August, Hurricane Laura came and destroyed my home. We had to completely gut out the whole house, and so we were homeless literally we were evacuated in Houston for 8 weeks. Mike had to stay here and work because he works for a gas company and he's required to stay. So it was me and the kids in Houston, and my sisters with my other family, which was that was a lot too. We were with them, evacuated for a while. Then we ended up coming back home in October. We found somewhere to stay, a temporary housing for us to stay. We got a townhouse. It was very small. It was like 700 square foot, 2 bed, 1.5 bath. And it was very cramped, but I was happy to be back home. So yeah, we stayed in the townhouse, and so Christmas, Thanksgiving, we were in the townhouse. Our houses, October, Hurricane Delta came in and did more damage to our home. So we were going to be out of our house even longer. So we had 2 hurricanes back to back. We had no power here in the city, no water here in the city for weeks. It was a very rough time. My dad was he got moved to Covington, so he was all the way, he was 5 hours from where we were, so we were on the whole completely opposite side. Him battling the residual effects of COVID-19, us on the whole other side battling insurance companies and trying to find a place to stay. It was just a lot. Mentally stressed. It was a lot last year. So I wasn't able to dedicate myself to my channel like I would like to. Fast forward to March of this year, we finally got leeway with our insurance company to start helping us and fighting and getting what we deserve to get our house fixed. My house is beautiful now. I'm so in love with everything that it is now. I have the kitchen I wanted. I knocked down the walls I wanted to. I was able to do everything that I wanted to do, but on the insurance dime. So it was just a blessing in disguise. I'm so happy with the renovations in the house. It looks amazing. My dad is fully recovered. He is 100% back to normal. God be the glory. He is a walking, living testimony and a miracle, and I'm thankful to God that he is alive and okay. God is so good, y'all. He is so, so good. So I am just so grateful to be able to come back to you guys and start filming again, doing what I used to do, which is what I used to love. Fast forward to September of this year, I cut and colored my hair. During that whole time of everything that was going on, I rocked braids and twists and everything. Well, as I was taking my braids out, I was literally taking the comb and just tore my hair up, ripped out my hair. And I know better, but I just didn't do better, and I had to pay for it. So I had to cut my hair, cut all the bad parts off, and I got a color. I went darker. I have dark, it's dark all around the perimeter of my hair, and then I have color just at the top part here, and she flat ironed it, and I have some reds and chocolate auburn blondish colors going on. I want something different. You know, I've been red since I went natural almost 7 years ago, so it was time for a change. I will go back red because I like this for the fall, but I miss my red. Like, it's just, I miss my red. So I will go back red maybe next year sometime. But I got this custom color and cut. I did go to a salon and get it done here. She did a really good job. Super, super duper sweet lady. I will go back to her and I highly recommend her. But that's pretty much where I've been, you guys. I'm excited. My new schedule is going to be, we're going to try to vlog again. Family vlogs. It's going to be, Sundays are going to be our vlogs. And during the week is going to be my regular content, which is going to be either hair content, makeup, hauls, you know, the same stuff that I did before, but mainly hair. So I'm excited. I am so excited to start filming again, and I pray that my channel can grow and I can be dedicated this time. But thank you guys for understanding. I miss you guys, and I can't wait to post my first real video of content so you guys can see how my hair is really cut and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble your head off. That's where I've been. I apologize, and I am so happy to be back. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel today. If you guys enjoyed it and you're happy that I'm back, please give me a huge thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye.